Standard 5th Maths, Chapter 4, Multiplication and Division. Problem set 15. First question, solve the following and write the quotient and remainder. Now see, here this symbol shows division. So that means we have to do division for these sums. So, and after solving these sums, we have to write quotient and remainder. Now, how do we solve these sums? This is a dividend. ये हमारा dividend है 1284 and this 32, this is divisor. Now see, table of 32, इतना बड़ा table तो हमको पता नहीं होता. So what we will do? We will write table 32 ones are 32. Then 2s are, see starting 2 we need 12, so 32 के टेबल में 12 is not possible, so 3 digit is 128. So now see, this is 2, wait, okay, see 2, so 32 2s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, then 3s are, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, then 4s are, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, see 128. So that means 32 4s are 128. After doing subtraction, this 4 we will carry down. So now in table of 32, 4 is not possible. So what we will do? 32 zeros are 0 minus 4. See, जब हम division लेते हैं ना, तो starting में we can take any digit, like ज़रूरी नहीं है कि 32 zeros are 1. Starting में we can start with 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. Once your division starts, then you have to take 1 digit. एक बार division start हो जाता है तो 1 digit लेते हैं. Question is 40 and remainder 4. Question. Now see second question. So here 87 is the divisor, 5586 is the dividend. So now we have to write table of 87. So in rough column, 87 ones are 87, then 2s are, 3s are, 4s are, 5s are. See, starting 5 नहीं ले सकते, 55 also not possible. So 3 digit, something 558. So we don't know up to where we will get. So let's find out. 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16 and 1 17. Then 3 7s are 21, 2 carry, 3 8s are 24, 25, 26. 4s are, 4 7s are 28, 2 carry, 4 8s are 32, 33, 34. Then 5 7s are 35, 3 carry, 5 8s are 40 and 3 43. Then 6 4, no, we need 500. 6 7s are 42, 4 carry, 6 8s are 48 plus 4 52. So 522, we have 558. So और एक करके देखते हैं. 7 7s are 49, 4 carry, 7 8s are 56 plus 4 600. So ये तो बड़ा हो गया. 609 is greater than 558. So we will take this 6 are. So 87 6 are 522. So after subtraction, 8 minus 2 6, 5 minus 2 3, 5 minus 5 0, and now this 6 we will carry down. So it became 366. So here we have 348. So we will take 87 fours are 348, and then after subtraction, so 16 minus 8 is 8, 5 minus 4 is 1. So here, see, we have to write question and remainder. So question and remainder 64 and remainder 18. Okay. Third sums 1207 divided by 27. So in a rough column we have to write table of 27. 27 ones are 27. 2s are 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. Now 3s are 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21, 2 carry, 3 2s are 6, 7 8. So 27 3s are 81. Now 4 sevens are 28, 2 carry, 4 2s are 8, 9 10. Then 5 sevens are 35, 3 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 135. Now see, in the beginning we need 120. So we got here 135, that means we will take this. So 27, यहाँ 120 है और हमको यहाँ पे 135 मिला, so 4s are 27 4s are 108. So subtraction 10 minus 8 2, 1 minus 0 1. Now this 7 127. So again see 127, that means again we have to take this only 4. So 4s are 108. So after subtraction 9, 1 minus 0 1 and 0. So 19 is a remainder. So here question is how much? 44 and remainder is how much? 19. Okay. Now fourth sums 8543 divided by 41. So 41 into 1. 41 2s are 3s are 4s are 5s are 6 7. Let's see, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 3 2s are 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. Now first is how much? 85. See, 8 not possible, 2 digit 85. So we can take 82. So that means 41 2s are 82. So after subtraction we got 3. Now one digit we will carry down. एक बार डिवीजन स्टार्ट हो गया तो एक ही डिजिट नीचे जाता है, तो ये बन गया 34. 41 के टेबल में 34 इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, सो 41 zeros are 0. So after subtraction we got 34. Then this 3 will carry down, 3 को नीचे ले लेंगे. So now we have 343. So यहाँ पे 287 मिला था ना, और एक करके देखते हैं. 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32. So here we got ये 328. So that means 41 8s are 328. After subtraction, 13 minus 8, 5. 13 minus 2, 1, 0. So, here question and remainder. Remainder is 15 and question is 208. Okay. Fifth sums. So 2304 divided by 43. So 43 is stable. 43 ones are 43. 2s are 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 1 carry. 4 4s are 16, 17. Then 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20, 21. 6 3s are 18. 1 carry. 6 4s are 24, 25. So let's see. So 43 and we need 230. Like 23 is not possible, so we will take 3 digit 230. So here we have, this is 258, so we will take 215. 5s are, so 43 5s are 215 minus, now 30 minus 15, 15, see, okay, and this 0, so and this 4 will get carried down. Now 154, we have this 129, so 43 3s are 129. So 14 minus 9, 5, 4 minus 2, 2. So 25. This, so question and remainder. Question is 53 and remainder is 25. Sixth sums. Now see 26. We have to divide 56,741. So 26 ones are, we can take, or first let's see, 26 ones are 26. 2s is how much? 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2 2s are 4, 5, 52. 3 6 are 18. 1 carry. 3 2s are 6, 7. 4 6 are 24. 2 carry. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. Then 5 6 are 30. 3 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13. 6 6 are 36. 3 carry. 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 5, 156. Now let's see, we need 56. We do not have 56, but हमारे पास 52 है. So 26 2s are 52. So after subtraction, we are left with 4. So एक ही digit नीचे लेंगे, that will become 47. Now 47 तो नहीं है, but 26. So 26 ones are 26. हमेशा कम लेते हैं या उतना ही लेते हैं. So 7 minus 6, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Now this 4 will carry down. ओके, सो 214. यहाँ पे तो मिला नहीं, तो और आगे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 7 6 6 7 42. 4 कैरी. 7 2 14 plus 4, 18. Then 8 8 6 48. 4 carry. 8 2 16 plus 4, 20. 208. So 9. 9 6 54. 5 carry. 9 2 18 plus 5, 23. We need 214. So this 208. So 26 8s are 208. So after subtraction, we are left with question and remainder is 6, question is 218. How many hours will it take to travel 336 km at the speed of 48 km per hour? सो यहाँ पे गाड़ी की स्पीड कितनी है 48 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड डिस्टेंस टू बी ट्रैवल्ड इज़ 336 किलोमीटर. सो कितना आज लगेगा, कितना टाइम लगेगा टू कवर दिस मच डिस्टेंस? सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, we have to do division. Let's do here 336 divided by 48 and here we'll write table of 48. 1s are 48, then 2s are 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8 9, then 3s are 3 8s are 24, 2 carry, 3 4s are 12, 13 14, then 4s are 4 8s are 32, 3 carry, 4 4s are 16, 17 18 19, 192. First let's see 48. So we can't take 3 either 33, so पूरा एक साथ 336 देखना पड़ेगा. So 92 भी not possible. So let's go further. 5 8s are 40, 4 carry, 5 4s are 20, plus 4 24. Then 6 8s are 48, 4 carry, 6 4s are 24, plus 4 28. Then 7s are 7 8s are 56, 5 carry, 4 7s are 28, plus 5 33. So see 7s are, so 48 7s are is 336. So 0 0 0. So that means the time required is 7 hours. Okay, let's see second sums. Girija needed 35 cartons to pack 1400 books. There are an equal number of books in each carton. How many books did she pack into each carton? So simply see numbers of books. Total number of books is 1400 and numbers of, this is total, and numbers of book in one carton is equals to 35. So that means we have to show division of 35 1400. So फटाफट से 35 का टेबल लिख लेते हैं. 35 1s are 35, 2s are 70, 3s are 105, 4s are, see 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 3s are 12, 13 14, then 5s are, see 14 वही चाहिए हमको, will not go further. 35 4s are 140. Okay, 0 0 0, and then this 0 will come down. 35 zeros are 0. Okay, division finished. So that means 40 books are packed in each carton. Fourth sums, the contribution for a picnic was rupees 65 rupees each. So contribution by each person rupees 65. Altogether this much rupees were collected. So total contribution is 2925. How many had paid for the picnic? So कितने लोगों ने पिकनिक के लिए पे किया? So here we have to do division. So 2925 was the total collection and 65 rupees from each person. So table of 65, ones are 65, twos are 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 13, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 6s are 18, 18 plus 1 19, 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 6s are 24 plus 2 26, then 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 6s are 30, 32. So this is 325. We need something 292. So what we will do? We will take 4. 65 fours are 260. So after subtraction, okay, this is 5. So 325. See, 5s are. So 5s are 325. 0 0 0. So that means 45 person contributed for the picnic. Which number on being multiplied by 56 gives the product of 9688? So the product is how much? 9688 and multiplier is how much? 56. So we have to find out what should we multiply by 56 to get this. So here we will show division. 56 से क्या मल्टीप्लाई होगा, कौन सा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई होगा जो प्रोडक्ट देगा 9688. सो नाउ 56 इंटू 1 2 3 4. वी डोंट नो टेबल ऑफ 56. सो 56 ones are 56, then 2s are. So 2 6s are 12, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, 3 6s are 18, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16, 4 6s are 24, 2 carry, 4 5s are 20 plus 2 22, 5 6s are 30, 3 carry, 5 5s are 25 plus 3 28, 6 6s are 36, 3 carry, 6 5s are 30 plus 3 33. Now see, let's try to do this division. Okay, so 56. So we can take these 2 digit and 56 ones are 56. So after subtraction it will be 6 minus 6 0, 9 minus 5 4, then this 8 will get carried down. So 408. Now here we will try to find out more multiplication. 7 6 are 42, 4 carry, 7 5 are 35 plus 4 39. So 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, 8 5 are 40 plus 4 44. So this is 448. We need 408. So we will take this 7s are. So how much? 392. So 6 1 0 116. So 8 will get carried down. then 56 168 see 3s are, so 56 3s are 168 0 0 0, so 173 is the multiplicand, so the required number is 173. Okay. Sixth sums. If 48 sheets are required for making one notebook, how many notebooks at the most will 5880 sheets makes, and how many sheets will be left over? सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ शीट्स क्या बोल रहे हैं, इतने पेपर्स है और अगर एक नोटबुक बनाने के लिए इतने पेपर लग रहे हैं तो इनमें से कम कितने नोटबुक बन सकते हैं. सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड 5880 बाय 48. सो 48 टेबल 48 1s are 2s are 3s are 4s are 5s are. So 48 1s are 48, 2s are 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8 9, 3s are 3 8s are 24, 2 carry, 3 4s are 12, 13 14, 4 8s are 32, 3 carry, 4 4s are 16, 17 18 19, 5 8s are 44, 5 4s are 20 24. Now see, we have 58. See, 5 is not possible, 2 digit 58, so we can take 48 1s are 48. So after subtraction 10 will remain, so this 8 will get carried down, it became 108. And here we have 2s are, we can take 2s are 96. So after subtraction 8 minus 6 2 and 10 minus 9 1, and this 0 will carry down 120. So from here again we can take 2, so 2s are 96. So after subtraction 24. So this is remaining sheet, but number of sheet can 122, therefore 122 notebooks can be made, and 24 sheet will left over. They have asked how many sheet will be left over, so 24 sheets will be left over. 7 sums. What will be the question be when the smallest 5-digit number is divided by the smallest 4-digit number? So smallest 5-digit and 4-digit. Now see, smallest 2-digit number is 10. Smallest 2-digit number is 10, and then 3-digit number is 100. So 4-digit number is 1000 and 5-digit number is 10,000. So here we will have 10,000 and here we will have 1000. So we have to show division of this. 10,000 divided by 1000. So 1000 ones are 1000. 0. This 1 0 left, that will carry down. 1000 zeros are 0. Any number multiply by 0 is 0. कोई भी नंबर चाहे वो लाख हो करोड़ हो, अगर 0 से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ So remainder is 0. So the question will be 10.